Hey guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and here we are with another recap of what happened in the XAUUSD market today. Now, of course, as you know, gold has been crazy lately. However, today has been a bit more stable, even though in the mellow days, gold still cannot fail to surprise us. So, I cannot wait to show you guys what happened in today's recap. Welcome back guys, this is Maya from TradeLabs, and like I mentioned in the intro, today we're going to do another one of our daily recaps of what happened, the gold Forex trading strategies for today. And like I mentioned, gold has never failed to surprise us. Even in the mellow days, there is something interesting happening. So I cannot wait to show you guys what happened today and the potential behind today, because it's just as crazy as it was until now. So, if you ever want to trust someone, definitely trust gold that it's always gonna have your back. Let's jump right into those charts. Okay guys, so what you see on the screen now is just a snippet of today's gold Forex trading market that pretty much saved the day in terms of the longest, most powerful trend. Like, you know, gold has always got our backs in terms of potentials of every day. Now, even like I mentioned, if today's was more of a mellow day in terms of the actual Forex trading market, we still have a really good representation of how good gold can behave. So, like I mentioned, we are looking at just a snippet of today's market, and this has the potential to actually save the day because we overlook the actual potential behind it, and I cannot wait to go into details and show you guys what the actual potential this has. As you know, gold is usually a safe metal to invest in because it tends to hold its value. So everyone around us at some point has invested in gold as a way to maintain or even grow their investment. And gold is very, very easily influenced by the socio-political events that happen around us, which means it was highly influenced by the Russian invasion. Let's say the market has been booming for the past 3 weeks without stop. It had a few mellow days just the beginning of this week, however, it's starting to go up again. But needless to say, this is absolutely mind-blowing in the amount of pips that we've seen so far going on into the gold Forex trading market, and this is insane to look at. Anyways, let's break down today's snippet. Okay, so like I mentioned, we are looking at the snippets for today's gold Forex trading market. I want to show you guys exactly what I saw using the momentum trading indicator and when actually it happened. So the momentum trading indicator has let me know this morning at just around 9 o'clock that the market is starting to go up. So this would be the point like, hey Maya, it's time to jump in on this trade. And here we were, like I mentioned, just 10 past 9 o'clock in the morning, and the trend has started to go all the way up. So this is not a very powerful trend, however, it's still a bullish trend which goes all the way up with quite a few points. The exit point of this, or the short signal as the momentum trading indicator has, well, indicated, was right at this stage here. This would be at just around 12 o'clock midday. So this trend lasted for roughly about 3 hours and it went all the way up. Now, if we were to actually understand the impact of this trade that we are looking at here, and just again, this is a small snippet of today's market. We had multiple occasions of really, really good trades in today's gold Forex trading market. However, I just wanted to talk about this one because this was the lengthiest in terms of time, and yeah, it's really worth mentioning. So, coming back to this crazy trend, so we would be looking at only the potential of the trend talking today, and this is enough for us to, let's say, unwrap. So, if we were to take the starting point of just around 1937 as a price point, and the exit point at just around 1949, that would leave us with a beautiful 12 points. In order to calculate your pips based on your points, because they're not one and the same, you just need to take the number of points you have, multiply it by 100, and there you go, you have your pips. So in our case, we would take 12 points times 100, and we would be looking at the crazy potential of 1200 pips in the gold forex trading market. And if that's not amazing, I mean, I'm speaking about 1200 points like it's nothing. The only thing I can say, you really need to go back a few videos and watch what happened, because it was absolutely crazy to see. Anyway, even with this really good market day, really good trend, if you were able to jump on this trend, then well done you. You would be up with a potential of 1200 pips. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. I really hope you found it useful and the daily recaps are really informative for you and your trading skills and your trading life. Anyways, like you know, I'm using the momentum trading indicator in order to take all these decisions because it's telling me when to go in, where to go out, and it's just making my life as a trader a lot easier. So why would I want to trouble myself with squiggly lines and anything else? The momentum trading indicator is just simply the best. Speaking of which, if you'd like to try our new trend trading indicator, then click the link below and sign up for a free trial. That being said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video, you guys, and found it informative and really good for you and your trading skills. If you did, then don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. That's it for me today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.